Founded by Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences, or CAAS, in 1997, Challenge Group is a high-tech agricultural group in China's feed industry, integrating R&D, production, technical services, and international and domestic trade, mainly manufacturing feed additives and livestock, poultry, and aquatic premix materials, creating a paragon for research-based enterprises in China. Located in Beijing Zhongguancun Science and Technology Park, the so-called China's leading technology hub, Challenge Group boasts enviable R&D resources backed by CAAS Feed Research Institute, China's National Feed Quality Control Center, and National Feed Engineering Center, and other institutions. It has quickly risen to be the market leader in the past decade and is expected to shape the high-tech-based future of China's feed industry. Based on Beijing Challenge Agricultural Science and Technology Company Limited, Challenge Group has become fully fledged as a parent of more than 10 high-tech subsidiaries. For example, Beijing Challenge Biotechnology Company Limited, Beijing Challenge Husbandry Science and Technology Company Limited, Tianjin Challenge Biotechnology Company Limited, etc., which in turn have secured Challenge Group's formidable growth. With the commitment to create healthy, safe, and cost-effective feed for livestock and poultry, Challenge Group has been vigorously researching on and developing new products with its leading-edge R&D facilities. It has launched more than 500 low-cost, highly effective in 30 series with famous brands like Challenge, Shenzhou Liyuan, Shenzhou Shunfeng, Roumejia, and Tejie, and has greatly boosted technological advances in China's feed industry and husbandry, and has contributed a lot to food safety and human health. Beijing Challenge Biotechnology Company Limited is mainly engaged in enzyme and betaine products that employ leading high technologies and are believed to be low-cost enhancement additive solutions for the feed industry. Challenge Fight is an outcome of the first research project funded by China's State 863 program in the feed industry. It's developed by CAAS Feed Research Institute and converted to commercial products by Challenge Group. Its revolutionary advent hit the feed additive market, bringing multiplied sales every year that has amounted to tens of thousands of tons and nearly 10 billion yuan revenue and ever-increasing export volume. Betaine products are the first commercial products converted from the result of a key national research program during the 11th five-year plan period and have topped the domestic market with widest application possibilities. Challenge Group's elite research group is made up of prestigious industry experts in China, including 2 PhD supervisors, 8 with PhD degrees, and more than 30 with master degrees. Focus on innovations has long been Challenge Group's tradition. In addition to its own new product development center, Challenge Group set up an Eco Feed Research Center, Biotechnology Research Center, Enzyme Bioengineering Center, and Feed Production Technology Research Center. As a leading and active researcher in China's feed industry, it has undertaken some major programs. For example, China's State 863 program, Ministry of Science and Technology's key research programs, and National Support Research Program for the 11th five-year plan, which have turned out multiple invention patents and boost the technological advance of the feed industry. Challenge Group has a sound quality assurance system established according to ISO 9001, ISO 22000, and HACCP, and operated in a rigorous GIT model. State-of-the-art technical equipment and testing methods ensure excellent and stable quality of products from the group. The manufacturing license of Challenge Group's feed additives and premixes has been labeled as 0001 license by Ministry of Agriculture. Challenge Group has established a nationwide marketing network that covers many provinces, municipals and autonomous regions and has branches in North China, Mid-China, Southwest China, Northwest China. Challenge Group's sales have been exponentially increasing at an annual growth rate of 50%. Challenge fighters betaine and bromelain have hit the international market as the leading export to Europe, America and Southeast Asia. Challenge Group's ever-rising sales has to be attributed to its marketing elites who are known for proven marketing expertise and trustworthy personalities and are devoting themselves to China's agricultural industry and social well-being. In addition to optimum feed additives and premixes, Challenge Group provides consultation services and training on its core raw materials, technical formula, production management and marketing services for feed manufacturers, as well as consultation and guidance on feed management and disease control for husbandry farmers. Challenge Group has been vigorously involved in establishing partnership in an effort to produce safe and effective feed and maximize customer value and social benefits, and has been frequently commended by Ministry of Agriculture and China Feed Industry Association or CFIA with such honors as a credible enterprise of CFIA and Beijing, China's well-known feed brand, consumers' trusted branding, quality, service and credit, a company that accomplished significant technological advances and applications in China, and with innovational excellence in China's feed industry, top feed enterprise in competitiveness and the most influential brand in China's feed industry. In 2008, Beijing Challenge Bioengineering Company Limited and Husbandry Science and Technology Company Limited were reconfirmed as a high-tech enterprise, and in 2009, Challenge Group was enlisted in China's top 50 feed enterprises. All these glories cannot be obtained without an excellent management team. Cai Huiyi, president of Challenge Group, is a prestigious expert in China's animal nutrition field and currently is the president of CAAS Feed Research Institute, deputy director of National Feed Engineering Technology Research Center, vice president of China Feed Industry Association, Vice President of the Animal Microecology Society, Chairman of China Feed Economy Association, and one of the most prominent experts recognized by Ministry of Agriculture. The young and vigorous team is the hope of the group. The collaborative, efficient and hard-working leadership drives the group to fly high. As a learning organization, Challenge Group has a perfectly harmonious corporate culture featuring a common spirit to meet challenges and share successes. To communicate and enhance staff awareness of the corporate culture, various cultural activities are organized and publicity tools have been used. For example, Challenge News and Challenge Features that are quite popular with latest industry reports and technologies, company news and customer and staff feedbacks. New Economy and New Challenge Group, a chronicle of Challenge Group's struggling history and tenacious growth, and The Song of Challenge that reviews Challenge Group staff's passion and ambitions. The struggling history for dozens of years builds up hard-working and ambitious personality and the fight to the final philosophy of Challenge people. Challenge people are committed to their everlasting goal to make Challenge a great modern international high-tech agricultural enterprise. Looking back on the glories, we smile at new challenges at the new threshold. Looking forward, we are fully elated with our daring ambitions and passion. We will never stagger in our determined way to create maximum customer and social value face challenge and share success with all our partners and friends. Challenge Group, we are sure, will be a name to be remembered by the time, by the world, and by the history.